In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Amtrak train tickets online. Booking Amtrak tickets on the internet is a quick and convenient way to plan your trip, whether you're using the Amtrak website or the official mobile app. The process is designed to be simple, and once you know what to look for, you can search routes, compare options, choose your seats when available, and complete your purchase in just a few minutes. To begin, go to the Amtrak booking platform. You can do this by opening Amtrak.com in your web browser or by launching the official Amtrak app on your phone or tablet. Both options offer a very similar experience, so you can use whichever one feels more comfortable for you. Once you're on the platform, enter your trip details. Start by typing in your departure city or station, then your destination city or station. After that, choose your travel dates and enter the number of passengers who will be traveling. It's important to double check these details before moving on, since even a small mistake in the station or date can affect the results you see. Next, select your train. After searching, Amtrak will show you the available routes and departure times for your trip. Take a moment to review the options carefully. You'll also be able to choose your class of service, such as coach or a private room, depending on the route and what is offered for that train. This is a good time to compare comfort, schedule, and pricing so you can pick the option that best fits your travel plans. After choosing your train, move on to seat selection if that option is available. Some trains allow you to choose specific seats, which can be especially helpful if you're traveling with someone else or if you have a seating preference. If seat selection is offered, follow the on-screen prompts and pick the seats you want. Then add the passenger information. Enter the names and required details for each traveler exactly as requested. Make sure everything is accurate before continuing, since this information will be tied to the ticket reservation. Finally, pay for the ticket. Amtrak offers several secure payment options, including credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and Amtrak Guest Rewards points. Choose the method you want to use, complete the payment, and confirm the booking. Once your purchase is complete, your ticket details will be available through the website or app, making it easy to access your trip information whenever you need it. And that's how to book Amtrak train tickets online.